Good afternoon, guys. Marcos here with Elite Trucks USA. Just wanted to showcase you this 2019 International Box Truck. 26 box foot truck, non-CDL, automatic. This truck comes equipped with a Cummins ISB motor, guys. Very important. Let me show you how beautiful this motor looks. It also comes with an Allison automatic transmission as well. That has about 350 horsepower, 6.7 like I said. Look how great this vehicle looks on the interior, guys. Pristine condition, no rips, no tears on the dash. Seats are upholstered. Truck. No dents, no tears. Look at the chassis.